3D printers and pens may emit particles and volatile substances. We have developed a method to analyze the emissions of 3D pens.
Our method is simple, easy to implement and cost-effective to set up. It can be used to characterize the particle emissions near the breathing zone of the user.
This technique can also be used to analyze aerosol emissions from other sources and devices, like spray products or abrasion processes.
Before beginning an experiment, select a 3D printing pen capable of generating temperatures greater than 200 degrees Celsius, and select filaments with a 1.75 mm diameter suitable for the 3D pen. Clean the inside of a desiccator with an inlet on one side for inserting the 3D printing pen and an outlet on the top for inserting the sampling tube. Make sure that an air inlet at the connection to the 3D pen is established. The outlet tubing should be 10 centimeters from the tip of the 3D printing pen to mimic the distance between the user's head and the emission source. "10 minutes before starting the 3D pen aerosol emission measurement, switch on the CPC and SMPS online measurement instruments and preload the 3D pen with the filament of interest. When the pen has cooled, attach a HEPA filter to the SMPS inlet and run a clean check measurement with the SMPS to ensure that the SMPS is not contaminated from previous measurements. Connect the chamber outlet to the CPC inlet and use the CPC